Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Toyota Aygo. Now of course, as standard on this car, you get your LED daytime running lights. You also get your halogen headlights that are fully automatic as well. You then get these diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Now of course, these are a 15-inch alloy, meaning that the tyres are nice and cheap to replace if anything was to go wrong. Overall, it is a nice cheap car to fix if ever it needs to be fixed. You've got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top there. Then we come into the hatch boot, which you can see you've got enough room just here. The seats do fold down as well. You can see you've got the little toggles just here on either side, which will enable you to fold them down just to enable for more space. Then coming back out, you've got partial LED tail lights as well. Just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we do have your full cloth interior. You've got Isofix mounting points at the bottom. Then of course you've got the little pop-out windows just here, which you can see just clip in and push out. Then coming into the front, we've got a 5-speed manual gearbox. We've then got your climate control settings in the middle just here. We've then got your touchscreen display. Now of course in here it does come with your various media sources just there. You've got Bluetooth hands-free as well, which you can see on this display here as well, just there. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls just here and your source. We've got Bluetooth hands-free controls just here. Your cruise control is just below the Bluetooth hands-free options as well. You've got automatic headlights. And then as you can see, this car has only done 18,505 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Toyota Aygo, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.